The price forecasts for Shiba Inu coins are crazy. They range from going all the way back to zero to going all the way up to $1, guys. And in this video, I'll discuss one about which analysts predict that Shiba Inu coin will expand by 1,800% or almost 20 times. We're essentially double the previous all-time highs. It does state that getting there will take some time, which in my opinion makes it conservative. We'll talk about the dates and other information they're releasing. And I genuinely believe that we may arrive there earlier. In fact, I believe Shiba Inu currency may surpass all previous highs far sooner than these analysts are estimating. So let's discuss why. And of course, if this sounds interesting to you, let's get started. Let's get going. 1,800%. Okay, let's put this in context. I believe there were 9, 10, or 11 zeros when the Shiba Inu coin rose from essentially zero to its all-time high. Millions of percent returns were made. That's fantastic, right? However, it didn't convince everyone to buy it. Many people were excluded. In essence, that protest took place in the months of March, April, and May of 2021. Shiba Inu coin didn't really start to catch on with people until October or November of 2021. How high was that rally exactly? Around a rise of 10 or 11. Shiba Inu coin fluctuated between 500 and 800 points per coin, exactly where it is currently. From May through September or October 2021, the price movement was remarkably flat. It wasn't revolutionary either. People didn't hesitate to purchase it. However, the bull market that propelled Shiba Inu coin to those record highs saw a 10x increase. A 1,000% gain. People in this area are currently discussing doubling that. We're talking about a gain of nearly 20 times. You must be thrilled to hear about the 20x increases in Shiba Inu coin. Why? It's going to cause FOMO-related behavior. Once they can, people will start to show interest. If people notice a rally like this, they will buy and start blowing Shiba Inu coin up. Let's first discuss what they're saying in more detail, and then I'll share with you my perspective and explain why I believe we can actually see it a little sooner than they do. Shiba Inu coin, SHIB projected to climb 1,800% is the title of this post, which can be found on the Watcher Guru. As of this time, the world of cryptocurrency is a dynamic one where many new assets have arisen. Shiba Inu coin maintains its appeal among cryptocurrency users despite this. This cryptocurrency has effectively maintained a committed network of supporters despite the price stagnation. This loyalty is largely attributable to its outstanding performance in the beginning when it saw a stunning rally in 2021. SHIB was able to remove 6 decimal places in just 10 months, turning early investors into millionaires. This extraordinary surge made SHIB a hot topic in the cryptocurrency community very soon. Even while there are less expectations for a rise of that size right now, particular forecasts are rekindling excitement in the ecosystem. The asset still has the potential to expand significantly by almost 1,800%. However, it is clear that the spike will take a long time to resolve. How much time is left to be determined? So let's get started with it now. But I do want to make a very crucial point and mention that after the millions of percent rallies, people did not even swarm to and follow Shiba Inu coin. Shiba Inu coin attracted a lot of attention as it was 10xing and reaching those all-time highs at the end of 2021 rather than the beginning, 2021. Without a doubt, long-term investors make large profits. Shiba Inu coin is currently trading at around 720 to 730 points per coin, a 91% decline from the previous high. The asset cannot see a short-term rally, despite anticipation that Shibarium would raise SHIB's price. But by 2030, according to Digital Coin Pricing, a business that specializes in on-chain measurements and price projection, things should be looking up for SHIB. According to price forecasts, over the course of the following 7 years, the value of Shiba Inu coin, which is currently worth 700 points per coin, might rise significantly by 927%. The portal also stated that SHIB may grow 1,334% by 2031 and surge 1,800% to 14,000 points per coin by 2032. Guys, I firmly feel that is a possibility right now. Let's discuss the reasons for this and why, in my opinion, it won't take till 2030 or 2031 to arrive. Adoption by institutions. I don't believe it will take another 7, 8, or 9 years before institutions start investing in the Bitcoin market. Now, regardless of whether they instantly receive clearance of these Bitcoin spot ETFs, regardless of whether institutions receive that regulatory clarity from the SEC, and regardless of all the current court issues, it will happen. It won't take a decade to get there, in my opinion. When that occurs, these institutions will understand that the cryptocurrency sector is a multi-trillion-dollar market. It currently stands at $1 trillion. It's at a record high, a $3 trillion amount. That means that only to achieve those record highs, $2 trillion in new wealth must be produced. If we were able to achieve such record highs with only retail investors, just think what would happen when institutions get involved. We are now discussing valuations of 4, 5, 10, 20, and $50 trillion over the ensuing decades. Let's simply suppose that one of the game's most resilient communities doesn't give up and turns its back on Shiba Inu coin if it's along for the trip. If Shiba Inu coin goes along for the trip, we won't only reach our previous record highs. We'll have exponentially more money in the cryptocurrency sector than we've ever had. Consequently, if it takes 10 years to get there, it takes 10 years to get there. Establishments have time. Institutions also demonstrate their patience by having time, and they will undoubtedly do so if they can earn trillions of dollars over the ensuing decades. Is it more likely that you'll make millions or lose money? To make billions and trillions of dollars, we obviously need a lot of money, right? But if this ride goes on and other institutions join in, will you make tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, or millions of dollars? What the future of cryptocurrencies holds excites me. If that button over there is still black, please click it to subscribe to the channel and let me know what you guys think in the comments below.